Namaste Sabiko, welcome to my channel A Bong Moments Itinerary. Today I am going to share with all of you some Yoga Asanas that I practice on a daily basis and I will really repeat it. I hope that these asanas will also help you out in your yoga sessions. Yoga needs much practice and also builds your concentration, and therefore you need a good yoga instructor. I have my yoga guru, my husband, to teach me the yoga asanas. So without any more talking, let's start with the asanas. To begin with Padmasana, at first sit in Dandasana and gently push the right leg towards the left and place the right heel against left pelvic bone and the left heel towards the right pelvic bone. Keep your spine right up and take normal breath. Sit till you are comfortable in this posture. To do Padmasana perfectly, you need to practice. To start with Paschimottanasana, sit straight, spine right up and your toes flexed towards you. Inhale and put your hands up, bend towards your legs, your chin facing down, and hold the old finger of your foot with two fingers of your hands. Take normal breaths. If you are a beginner, ask your instructor to help you with the posture. To start Ardhya Matsyendrasana, bend your legs towards you, fold your right leg, take left foot along the right knee corner and place it there. Take left hand at your back, stretch right hand up and cross the left knee from front and hold the right knee joint. Turn your head back as much as you can. To begin with Bhujangasana, lie down on your abdomen. Try to keep your knees closer and your arms closer to the side of your chest and try to touch your upper body. Now inhale and rise your upper body up to your navel portion and try to keep your upper body weight on your back and your navel portion should touch the mat. Lie flat on the stomach. Place your chin on the mat and keep your knees closer and your hands by your side. Bend your knees and slowly hold your ankles. Inhale and try to arch the back slowly, lifting your legs up and holding them properly. Lie down on your back completely and comfortably. Bring both the legs up slowly and put your hands at the back of your hip and hold them. And bring your chest closer to your chin and elongate your lower body. It is a continuation of Sarvangasana. You need hip and core strength to perform Halasana. Try to push your legs towards your head and try to bring it down. Slowly bring your hands down and get them locked. Inhale and exhale. Well, this is my favorite asana posture after Chakrasana. It strengthens your core muscles and your arms Lie down on your back, place your arms by your side and relax your feet. Close your eyes, breathe in and breathe out. Let your body feel the earth and melt into it. Always end your daily yoga session with Savasana.
So we are at the end of the video. So if you have any queries about yoga or the postures of yoga asana, you can comment me down below. I would love to answer all of you. And if you like the video, if it's helpful for you, do give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family and who love yoga and want to do yoga. So
please like, subscribe, please share করবেন, আপনারা যত শেয়ার করবেন আমাদের চ্যানেলটা তত বেশি বাড়বে, তাহলে আমাদের আরো সুবিধা হবে প্লিজ।
So do share the video and to subscribe to my channel. So meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.